I'm going to show you how to change background with Photoleap. So if you want to do so, then you can use the cutout tool to remove the background and then add a new background. So let's get right into the app. Just go ahead and type in Photoleap and now open it. You just need to import the photo first, or you can just see in the option of edit this option that says cutout. Import the photo. You can also manually choose to erase the background like this. If not, then just go ahead and tap on shape, and as you can see, this is changing your background. After you've cut it out, you can just add an image to change the background. So this option is a premium option, so make sure you have subscribed to the Photoleap Premium, and if you have done so, then you would successfully be able to cut out the image or change the background in Photoleap. So there you go. That's how you change Photoleap background. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.